What's up, guys? This video is going to be a little bit different, and probably the rest of them after this, just because I try to keep my channel a little more towards like my truck and cars and stuff. The problem with that is I have too many hobbies and my money kind of goes all over the place. So for me to keep putting money into my truck, it doesn't work out. So I end up not posting videos, and yeah, I can't always afford to go on trips and stuff. So lately, my hobby is mountain biking. I just bought a new mountain bike. So it's kind of what I've been doing almost every day now, is something to do with mountain biking. So I'm going to try to do some mountain biking videos. Today, I've been riding my bike for a few weeks now. I got to clean it, grease it and everything. But I got a bike stand. I grew up riding bikes, and I've had a bike, I don't know, my whole life. At least some type of mountain bike or something, BMX bike. And I've never had an actual stand. I've always done everything on the ground with the bike upside down, and I'm just tired of it. I don't know why I never bought one. So I got one. We're gonna put this together, and I'm gonna go over my bike. I'll probably go ride it today. I got a mount that my friend made me, 3D printed, for my helmet. I'm gonna put a GoPro on here and kind of play around with some camera angles and stuff, see if this is gonna work. And I'm just gonna start filming some of my mountain biking. Yeah, like I said, I just can't keep up with the trucks and cars all the time. It's really expensive, and I spend my money on too many different things. And I just like making videos. I don't make any money on YouTube. I have a tiny channel. This is fun to me, to make some channels, and I like playing around with editing videos, things that I do. So we're gonna try that out. Tomorrow I'm also gonna go ride some other trails I've never ridden before. I'll probably make a video on that as well. And then yeah, from now on I'm kind of just make some videos on the hobbies that I'm into. Wintertime, it's usually RC cars. This last year or 2 years ago now actually, I got into racing RC cars. So I do a lot of that in the wintertime because I can't ride my bikes or do anything outside really. It's cold. Yeah, I got a few other hobbies, but right now it's bikes, so that's what we're gonna work on. This one also came with one of the chain cleaners and some brushes. This one is off Amazon. It's kind of like the knockoff of the Park Tools one, but I did not want to pay how much they want for the Park Tools stand. This one had decent reviews, so it'll work. Some of the people said that the legs break off here. This actually feels pretty nice. I was gonna say I could just bolt them if anything. Get it together. Alright, I won't bore you guys with me struggling to put this together. Oh man. Oh no. Maybe that's what people mean when it falls apart? I don't know. I was just about to say too that this thing feels really nice. I don't know why people are complaining, but if it can't hold my bike up, then I guess it's no good. Maybe this needs to get tightened more. Seems better. Cool. Now I don't have to work on my bike on the ground. Can actually adjust the derailleur without, upside down and whatnot. But the main thing is I need to clean it. There is dirt all over it. I just want to, grease it and make sure all my seals are good still. And then the other main thing is I want to go tubeless. Pull the tubes out. I got everything I need, hopefully, to go tubeless. Yeah, I want to get that done today before I go on a ride. So as long as I understand this right, all I need is rim tape, some different valves because this hole is bigger so the sealant won't clog it up, tire sealant, and just a syringe to put the sealant in. Sounds pretty simple. Just got to make sure that this seals all the spoke holes and everything. That makes me happy. I just pulled the tire off. I got the tube out. This is a lot less work for me. It says tubeless ready when I bought my bike when I was looking at specs, but I didn't know that they already taped it. So I don't have to worry about anything. I just got to put my new stem in, fill it with sealant, and I should be good to go. That makes this a lot easier. I don't have to worry about trying to tape it. All right, I made it to the trailhead. Just gotta unload my bike, get all my gear on. I'm waiting for someone else because I don't like riding by myself. Yeah, and then like I said, I haven't tried the GoPro mount on the helmet or anything, so I don't know how any of this is gonna turn out. But I'm at trails, my local trails. I try to ride here like once a week, so I kind of know the trails pretty good. So I should be able to just ride. Not good. Matt 3D printed this mount for me, but he must have a different GoPro and a different case than I do, because you can see how pointed up that is and it won't go down. So I'm trying to file it a little bit. This probably won't work at all. What's up, guys? We're out for a morning ride at Pets again. Last time the video was terrible when I was looking at it, so I got a different GoPro mount. We're gonna try that out. I haven't ridden in the morning in a long time, so something just chill and relaxed. Yeah. Yesterday was the grand opening of the trails. It looks like they did a little bit of work, covered all the like rooty jumps with dirt. That's nice. Hopefully both the drops are open. Last time they were closed. All right, last time I did this drop, it's not part of the trail, but I'm gonna skip this section. If anyone that builds the trail is watching, should incorporate this, because it's a lot more fun. Oh God. Ugh. Get a lot more speed through here. The drop trail is still closed. Yep. Still not a drop there. Speed off of this. Launches you down here. And then now if we go this way, up to this terrible uphill, which I don't know if this is an uphill or downhill, but every time I do it, it's an uphill. There's no berms really, so I think it's an uphill. Then we go this way.
Cross the bridge. More uphill. Up gears. Ooh, it's overgrown. I want to hit that every time, but the roots in front of it, they stop me. Oh, we're flying. Ooh, wrong gear. Ooh. And I'm launching forward. That's not good. Oh, over that. Ooh, close to that tree. Cruising.
Alright guys, that'll do it for this one. Hopefully the footage turns out. I didn't look at any of it yet, so if not, I'm going riding tomorrow and I'm going to film that also, but I will fix it if it's all messed up. I'll get the position right of the camera. Today was my first time trying it, so tomorrow will hopefully be better if this one's bad.